Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our new video. And without any further ado, let's start today's video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp's photo and video not showing in Android gallery. So basically what this problem is, like when you download a photo or video sent by your friend, so like when somebody sends you a video or anything on WhatsApp and you download it or save it to your device and you go to your gallery and you don't see that. So to fix that, first thing first, make sure it is downloaded, because like if it is not downloaded, then you cannot see it in your gallery, of course. And the reason behind that could be of your slow internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. And the other thing is, if it is caused by a bug, then to fix the bug you need to update your WhatsApp. So go to your Play Store and check if your WhatsApp is up to date or not. Play Store or App Store, depends on the phone you're using. So make sure your internet connection is stable and our WhatsApp is up to date, because if it is a problem caused by a bug, then updating with the WhatsApp is the only way to fix it. And you can click on this three dot and you can go on setting, and once you're in setting, click on chat, and once you're in chat, make sure your media visibility over here is turned on. As you guys can see over here, show newly downloaded media in your phone's gallery. So basically if it is turned off, then like the things which you have downloaded or saved is not going to be shown in your gallery. So turn this setting on. After turning this setting on, your problem should be fixed and your photos and gallery should be visible on your phone. And if it is still not visible, the last thing you can do is just hold on WhatsApp icon, click on app info, and then click on storage usage, click on clear cache, go back, go on permission, make sure all these permission is turned on, and after this should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't, then restart your phone. And if it still doesn't, then the last option is to delete your WhatsApp and install it, because it could be caused by a corrupted file. I mean, to fix it, delete and download WhatsApp. So that's basically it, guys. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to answer you and fix your problem. So bye bye and have a nice day.